Ahoy, mateys! Welcome back to return to Monkey Island. I'm hoping / thinking this is the last part of Return to Monkey Island, considering we are in the final chapter of the game, and I don't know, something. I don't know. I guess I don't really want to split this up. Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey, Wally. How's it hanging?
Seriously, that's the joke you were going to use right now?
I'm trying out some new material.
Don't quit your day job.
Well, thanks.
Thanks for the C-map. That was really great, and I owe you for all the work you did for free.
Glad you liked it.
Wally, what happened?
As if you don't know.
How did you end up here? I saw your office had been ransacked.
LeChuck came into the shop storming mad because he thought I gave him a mop map instead of a map to the secret.
Well,
Yeah, real head scratcher how that happened.
About that.
That mop map you made for me was a winner.
Oh yeah, that's right. I did make you a mop map. Wait, it's all starting to make sense now. Why is it that every time our paths cross, good old Wally is kidnapped or tormented or worse?
The mysteries of how the universe works may never be known. I wish I...
You and me both.
Yeah, I've got to get the secret before LeChuck does.
Sure.
I'll need a key to open these.
Do I not have a key? Key. Display key. These are the only keys that I have?
This key doesn't fit.
Oh. Well, Wally, I apologize, but looks like you might be on your own.
This key doesn't fit.
Well, sorry, Wally.
Flambe, you're awake.
Not for long. I'm just here to tell you that you are making a mistake. LeChuck's obsession consumes him like a frog swallowing a tarantula. You don't want to be there when he opens that chest.
Don't understand that analogy.
Are you just trying to slow me down?
LeChuck doesn't handle frustration well. You've been warned.
Yeah, that's right. Run! I can't really see down there too well. There's a lot of lava. Okay, here goes. Phew. LeChuck, I'm coming for you!
Damn you, Threepwood! I should have gotten rid of you the first 58 times I had the chance. You will never make it down
I'd be
here.
curious to know how many times
alive.
LeChuck has been had the opportunity to kill Guybrush and has never done it.
Just once, I want this to be easy. Only the organized pirate will pass. I used to have a letter opener like this. It's holding a mug. It looks like a piece of 8, but made of stone.
I'll take you. I'll take you.
I wonder if the parrot had anything to do with the eye.
I don't know. Any of that is correct. Stone crackers. Oh, that makes more sense with the
I
parrot.
can relate.
They're all different colors, so I guess I'm supposed to give... I suppose I have to provide the right items on the right monkeys.
It's
Examine
one
the
of those
coin.
stone pieces of 8.
Alright, well.
I'm naming it Captain Squint.
That makes sense for that. Alright then. Done. Easy enough. Ah. That's easy.
LeChuck, the secret will never be yours.
I hate solving puzzles more than I hate Threepwood.
The secret will never be yours.
Ah! Threepwood, won't you ever give up and just go home?
No!
Once is a coincidence. Twice is suspicious.
What about thrice? Alright, we got more.
Those epaulets deserve a room of their own.
Got more monkeys. Alright. Oh, hold on. Just picking up all these coins. They're going to be useful for later, I'm sure.
The clever eyes put this one above the rank and file. That's why I assume first swap.
And what are all the pieces of 8 for?
Cheer up, little guy. You'll go far.
Do I have to put like the pieces of 8 in here?
Cheer up, little guy. You'll go far.
How many do I have? Hold on. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 5. So that was 6.
Only the unfair pirate will pass. Those epaulets deserve a room of their own.
Just saying, there's 6 in total. What? I didn't give any to the middle monkey. Okay. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'll take it.
The secret is mine.
You really do suck at puzzles, don't you?
How are you still alive?
You will never have the secret.
Nobody never dies in these games.
Revenge.
Actually, that
Then
might
you
be
will
true.
forever
I
be
actually, even
cursed.
LeChuck
And
doesn't
you
die.
will never escape.
You will vanish with no tail.
I mean, for the most part, adventure games aren't really
I
known
will
for
return.
killing people, just in general. So, you know.
Third time be a charm, Threepweed.
Well, maybe she dies. Nope, never mind.
Next time, I keep my voice down. There's no way I'm getting through there.
More monkeys.
It looks like its arm is hurt.
Okay. The only thing I have to give is a.
It looks like its leg is hurt.
The only thing I have is a mug. That one just doesn't
This is
exist.
going to be a problem. There's no way I'm getting through there.
Nope. Hmm. What does the sign say on the door?
Only the bloodthirsty pirate will pass.
Kind of creepy, honestly. honestly.
That didn't seem to do anything.
What if I use the mug to, like, collect some? Yep. And then I can use the mug on the thing. Ah, yay! These puzzles are not very difficult.
Wow.
New.
I don't want to close any more possible escape routes.
Oh, change the date. Well, I'm supposed to be. Right, there's gotta be something I have that explains this.
Hi, I'm working due west of camp and due north of Parrot Rock today. Trapped. If I tried to move that, I'd throw my back out.
Is there somewhere? Is there something somewhere that actually, like, gives me a clue to what I'm supposed to be doing?
I don't want to close any more possible escape routes.
Like, what's the date thing supposed to do? Huh? Anything? Choose a date. Rotate. Date. Ooh,
So
Captain
long,
Madison's hat.
Captain Madison. Ugh, this is like one of those mystery stories where the person has so many enemies, the detectives don't know where to start.
Yeah, that's about right. There's gotta be something in the room that I can. They're not gonna leave puzzles like previously, would they? Well,
If I tried to move that, I'd throw my back out.
I am at a loss. Wait, what's the? Oh,
One of the stone slabs from the altar seems to have fallen off during the rumbling. There's some writing on it. A swordsman attacked Curacao with his blade and his thick monobrow.
Oh, God,
His
okay.
haphazard beard was more pitied than feared, and they told him he fought like a cow. From the complete book of pirate limericks,
Right,
published in
1456.
1456.
Okay,
After
well, that's-
all I've been through, finding some limericks on a piece of stone sinking into the lava isn't all that strange.
well, we know what. We at least know what year we need,
A
1456.
swordsman attacked
Swordsman
Curacao with
attacked
his blade
Curacao.
and his thick monobrow. His haphazard beard was more pitied than feared, and they told him he fought like from the complete book of...
Okay, so 1456 is the year we need, which is there right now. He's got a haphazard beard. So and the guy's got a monobrow. Yay!
Huh? What? I was just deep
Oh.
in the mushroom and lava-ridden caves under
The
Monkey
door that was
Island,
locked the
and
whole
now
time? Wait.
Oh no. Not yet. It seems to be stuck closed.
Why is that?
Score! Repop, the windows are just pasted on. And they're not even straight.
Man, that rat is a.
Glad you finally made it, kid.
What, Stan?
What the
It's
hell?
closing
What?
time and everyone wants to go home.
Last chance to hand over the key, locksmith.
What do you mean it's closing time? I just got here.
No, I don't have time for this. I'm late for an important meeting. Take my keys and shut off all the lights before you leave. I'm not liable for anything that happens after closing time.
Guybrush,
What?
are you ready to go?
Last chance to hand over the key.
Huh?
The switch is locked. Hey, Elaine, let's renew our vows.
Next time, Plunder Bunny. We need to leave.
I blame the government.
Yeah, I should have suspected Stan's involvement the minute I saw how cheap and gaudy this is. What a stroke of luck. The locksmith had the key all along. That was disappointingly easy. I wonder what's going on. Dang, Stan makes LeChuck better every time.
The secret is mine.
Nice twist adding in Madison, Trent, and Lila. The team up had me fooled for a while.
The secret is mine.
Well, back to my boring flooring inspector job. Until next time. Yeah, I should have suspected Stan's in. Dang nabbit, it's locked. If only there was a key.
Nope. Nope.
Interesting. I found the secret of Monkey Island, and all it was this stupid t-shirt.
I'm trying to digest everything that's going on right now.
I'm not sure where I am all of a sudden.
You're right here with me. But we shouldn't stick around too long.
I was just underground on Monkey Island, and now we're on Melee?
Things just go by in a blur sometimes when you're having fun, don't they?
How'd it go with Flair?
Let's just say I made my point.
How did you get...
You know I always try to stay a step ahead.
I got the secret!
You finally did it!
I'm gonna have to think about that. I'm ready to go.
Don't forget to shut off all the lights.
The switch is locked.
I don't think they're trying to say Guybrush is crazy. I think it's not. Are they trying to say that like all his adventures have been just stories, and that his life is actually kind of boring, and he's just been using it he's been telling all these stories, making up all these stories to
I'm ready to go.
find some
Good.
enjoyment in life or something?
Me too.
Dad, that was a silly ending, and it didn't even make any sense. You're terrible at endings.
I thought you liked silly endings. You and Chucky play the ending of Monkey Island 2. Really silly.
That's different. We're kids, and we're just goofing around. You're the one who said you can't just change things. You said that's not how storytelling works.
I did?
I want to know the secret. You have to tell me what you really found in the chest.
The chest was filled with gems, rubies, and gold. A prize fit for a king. Or a mighty pirate. I buried it on a small island and made a really cool-looking map to where it is.
I knew it! We're rich! Rich, rich, rich!
Are you filling our son's head with your outlandish stories again?
I was telling him the one about how we found the secret of Monkey Island.
That's why they look.
Oh,
The kids
that
look like
one.
Guybrush and Chuck at the
Every
beginning of the
time you
game.
tell that story, the ending gets stranger and stranger.
So they're all
Let's go down
stories
to
he
the
tells to his
docks and watch
kids
the
the
galleon
entire
head
time.
out.
Yay!
Huh.
I found the lost map to the treasure of Maya Island. It's going to be a fun adventure.
I'll meet you down there.
Like Elaine is the actual treasure hunter. Well, there's Return to Monkey Island. I'm not sure exactly what kind of ending I was expecting. Certainly wasn't a bad ending. I knew that they could just give you like a bunch of gold. It had to be something quote-unquote clever. It's interesting because that ending kind of puts like a solid ending period stop on like the whole series. Because it's kind of making you reflect back on all of the games as just stories he tells to his kids, rather than things that actually happened to him. So it kind of ruins any potential progression. I mean, granted, at the very end there, they did kind of make it seem as though Elaine is an actual treasure hunter and Guybrush is not. But, of course, they got Jared Emerson Johnson to do the music. Well, the music implementation, whatever the hell that means. That was fun. The last part was a little bit simpler than I expected it to be, so I guess I'll apologize for what is probably going to be a relatively short episode when this releases. I do, like, seriously wonder how much more complicated this game would have been had I been playing on the higher difficulty. So I played on casual mode, which dumbed down some of the puzzles, and there are plenty of times, especially in that last part going through all the different monkeys, that the casual mode puzzles were very simplistic. And it really makes me think about, how difficult would those puzzles have been on the higher difficulty? You know what I mean? Like, were they going to be super, super hard? Were the puzzles going to be super intricate? I don't know. Wish I could have saved Wally there. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, so I guess that takes care of Return to Monkey Island. Next week, I'll be starting off one of my favorite games of all time. I grew up a Nintendo kid, so that will at least give you a direction. You don't gotta wait 7 days, so not like you're waiting too long for the next episode to come out. For those of you who have been paying attention to this series, watch me play Return to Monkey Island, thank you very much. I know a lot of the Zelda episodes on the channel have been a lot more popular than everything else we've been doing, so I really, really do appreciate people who've been engaging and people who've been jumping in and watching some of the episodes for Return to Monkey Island. Just trying to get a little change, a little bit of flexibility with games and just enjoy myself realistically. So I want to get a nice spread of styles and genres and whatnot. And as much as I do love Zelda, favorite franchise of all time, you know, my intention is not to do a complete Zelda channel. You know, it's nice to get out and do something else, you know, so I do greatly appreciate anybody who's been following along this entire time. Nope, I was checking to see if there was an additional sort of end cutscene, kind of post-credits cutscene, and there was not, so. Till next time, my friends, thanks for joining.